Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in Walmart. We're seeing what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. These new tops from Free Assembly has the thicker strap, square neckline, this embroidered detailing, baby doll fit with the same through the back. Comes in the white, and I think they're $26. That same print, they have these skirts. So these have that band at the waist, poplin material with all those little embroidered. There's a little leaf, a palm tree, flamingo, starfish. New from Free Assembly are these shorts. So these have that pull-on waistband drawstring. It's a twill look material, same fit through the back. This print is very farm rail with the bananas, and then they also have the little pineapples. Those are embroidered on there. New ruffled tank from Free Assembly. These have that high neckline, the little ruffles, super soft, stretchy, same fit through the back in the white. Also comes in the navy. And then also new from Free Assembly are these dresses. These have this smaller collar, button up into the waist, fit and flares out with the tiers, the same fit through the back, and they're $34. Cardigans from Free Assembly. These have that high neckline. The puff sleeve has that open knit material, really soft, full functioning buttons with the same fit through the back, and the cardigans are $30. In the last, I think it was a trends video, I showed you guys this top. Now they have it in the chambray. So it has that square neckline, flutter sleeve, peplum with the tie in the back. Also has the smocking, and they're going to be $24. New tops from Jessica Simpson. These has the V neckline, puff sleeve, the little tie detail, peplum at the bottom. In the green also comes in that floral print, and they are $28.50. And then in that same print as the top, they have a matching pant. These have that flat front, flowy wide leg, same fit through the back, and the pants are $28.50. Also have in that print this dress. This has the V neckline, puff sleeve, fit and flare with that same fit through the back. Also comes in black, and the dresses are $26.50. New Madden NYC. So these are little like faux suede handkerchief tops. Has that halter style, the V design in the back. In the brown with the silver, they also have the black with the gold, and they're $16.50. Also new from Madden NYC are these wide leg jeans. These are, it looks like they're mid-rise, ultra 90s fit, elastic through the back. I think they're mid-rise, they might be high, but they have this blue denim, also the black. Jeans are $24.50. Also new from Madden NYC are these new tees. These have that crew neckline, that mesh with the floral sheer through the sleeve. In the green, also comes in black, and they're $13.50. Belted jean from Madden NYC. These have the oversized belt buckle, wide flowy leg. It has that vintage wash with the pockets in the back, and they're $24.50. So new sweater tank from Scoop. So this one has the little tie detail, has the pointel trim, tiers, same fit through the back. In the red, also comes in black, and they're $18. New lace top from Madden NYC. This one has that V neckline, the little ruching flutter sleeve, baby doll fit, has that shark bite hem. And then the back has that same kind of cut. And it's like kind of like a purple brown. And then also the ivory, and they are $16.50. Here are these little dresses from Madden NYC. They have the thin strap. They do have the padded cups. I love the little cherub like babies. And then it's sheer. So it comes in this print, and then also in a leopard. The leopard's not as sheer as that one. Also new dresses from Madden NYC. It has the removable straps. They're adjustable with the little tier. In the brown watercolor, also comes in that multicolor watercolor, and they're $24.50. New dresses from Time and True. This one has the thick strap. It has a scoop neckline sweater, ribbed material with the poplin skirt. In the brown, also comes in black, and they're $22.98. Here are these new tops from Scoop. I love that pink color. It has the flutter sleeve, square neckline, the little lace trim, seam through the back in the pink, also comes in the white. New cardigan from Jessica Simpson. So this one has that pointel tie front in the green, also in the beige and white, and they're $28.50. New little sweater sequin tanks from No Boundaries. I just picked up this one. I showed it on my other social media if you want to see what it looks like on. But they have the thick strap scoop neckline, same fit through the back in the pink, also comes in the brown. They're $14.98. Also new from No Boundaries are these little tanks to mesh. Has the lace trim squared in the back in this multicolor. Those are going to be $14 or $12.98. And then to go with those tanks, they have the matching skirt. How cute is this set with the little shark bite hem? Oh no, I've got a little thing stuck. New lace skirts from No Boundaries. These have an elastic waistband, built-in shorts in the ivory, also comes in brown, and they are $12.98. Also new from No Boundaries are these little button-down tops. They have the cap sleeves, super soft and stretchy, also has the little belt in the ivory, also in the blue, and they are $12.98. New lace trim tanks from No Boundaries. They have the thin strap V neckline, soft and stretchy. It has a little bit of shimmer in there, like little sequins in the gray, also in the burgundy, and they're $9.98. Also new little wrap top tees. These have that cap sleeve, so soft and stretchy. In the pink, they have the red, white, and black, and they are $8.98. Graphic tees from No Boundaries. These have that crew neckline. How cute is this with the pizza? I definitely need this one. Then they also have Brooklyn, and it kind of looks like Brooklyn, like an M at the bottom. And those are $8.98. Hoodie and tank sets from No Boundaries. So these have this super soft lace drop sleeve, ribbed wrist. I always love these. They have really cute colors this year. The gray with the blue polka dot. There's purple. These are $16.98. And then look at the matching tank that goes with the... And they also have that burgundy and pink stripe and a gray, and they're $8.98. Cardigans from No Boundaries. These have that high neckline, fitted through the wrist, same fit through the back in the yellow, also in the gray, and they're $16.98. On this side they have a stripe, and then look at the cute skirts, the built-in shorts. I have my little green set. I don't think I showed you guys this yet because I haven't done a haul in a while. But I'm so impressed with the quality of this hoodie. I have the skirt too. And then they also have the camo skirt, and they're $11.98. Have the No Boundaries. This is the viral Practical Magic dresses. I guess she wore something similar. I don't remember that, but maybe the black one. So I have to get them because I love that movie. Has the thin straps, V neckline, handkerchief bottom, and the white and beige. They also have the black floral, and they are $16.98. The halter dress from No Boundaries. This has that lace trim, tiers. You guys don't like the No Boundaries only video, but there's so many cute things, and they're $14.98. And then they also have these tier dresses. Has the thin straps, tiers all the way down in the white and blue, and those are $14.98. Cute are these. They remind me a lot of Love Shack Fancy with the lace trim, the little bow in the black, also in the white, and they are $12.98. And then look at the new little active skirts. They have that soft stretchy band, the ruffled trim. They have a built-in lining in the black. They have purple, there's red and blue, and they're $9.98. Ribbed stretchy dresses from No Boundaries. These have that scoop neckline, thick strap, so soft, in the gray, also in black, and they're only $10. Here they have a high neck option in the pink, also $10. New drop tier dress from No Boundaries. This has a thin strap, V neckline, lace trim. These remind me so much of the store my daughter loves, Brandy Melville. We went to the one in Winter Park, and there was like so many young girls in there all buying this kind of stuff, like just plain things. And these are only $10. Those, I mean, that store is still affordable. They're like $20 I think 20 to 30 for a dress, but $10. Also new wrap top dresses from No Boundaries. These have the thin strap. They're fitted in the pink or red stripe, also in the blue stripe, solid black, and they're $7.98. So new fold over leggings from No Boundaries. These are so nice, soft and stretchy with the flare in the burgundy. They have that stripe that these all match back, I guess, to the little hoodies. There's black and blue. The flared leggings are, they don't have it on the pricing, maybe $9.98. Just like the skirts, they have these little flared sweatpants inside. These are a French terry. They have the drawstring with the flare. How cute is the camo? They also have pink. There's gray, blue, and those are $16.98. So new smock tops from Time and True. These have that high neckline, flutter sleeve, smocking with the little peplum, same fit through the back with the keyhole, and these are $17.98 in the red. Also comes in that white paisley. It has like a pink print. So new sneak peek color in the barrel like denim shorts from Time and True. These have the button zip, that raw hem, same fit through the back, and the shorts are, I think they're $22.98. New sneak peek wide leg jeans from Time and True. These have the button zip, that seam detailing, trouser style with the elastic through the back. They also have the pockets, and the jeans are $24.98. Those sneak peek dresses from Time and True. These have the high neckline, puff sleeve, tiers with the ties on the sleeve in this brown with the blue print. They also have a white with the blue, and the dresses are $29.98. Peak smock dress from Time and True. This one has the ruffling smocking with that embroidered detail, the drop tier, and then the same fit through the back, and they are going to be $24.98. Some new colors in this wrap tee from Time and True. These have the crew neckline, that little ruche design. In the pink, there's brown, orange, and white, and they are $12.98. Color in this Time and True dress. So this has the adjustable strap smocking, flowy skirt in the green and blue. They also have this new beige and brown. We saw that beige color, and they are $24.98. Thick waistband drawstring, this little dolphin hem, same fit through the back in the red, also comes in the black, and they're $10.98. No active skirts from No Boundaries. So these are super soft, stretchy. They have the built-in shorts, fit and flare in the yellow. Also comes in purple and gray, and they're $7.98. And then on this side, these have a crew neckline. That's what they look like on, in the pink, yellow, white, black, and blue. And I think those are $8. Shorts from No Boundaries. These have an elastic waistband, drawstring, flowy. It's like a terry material. So in those striped shorts, they have these from No Boundaries, elastic waistband, toggle, fit and flare in the blue, green, orange, and then the little dolphin track shorts in the black, gray. There's red, pink, blue, and green, and those are $8.98. How good is this new bathing suit from Time and True? It has that zip front seaming, and then the seam fit through the back. These are $28.98. But I love that zip front. Also new from Time and True are these high-rise bottoms with the little ruching, and then the tops are right here. So it's that little twist front, and then they also have that print in this one piece, and then that style also comes in this green stripe, and then the bottoms are high-rise with the underwire top. They have the little barcode, they don't have the pricing. So new from Time and True, they have these tops with the underwire, and then they also have the little skirt in the black and white, and those are $19.98 each. New sweatpants from No Boundaries. So these have the elastic waistband, True jogger bottom in the pink, green, there's gray and black, and they're $10.98. Tank and short sets from No Boundaries. These have the thick strap, that lace trim, baby doll fit in the pink. There's the blue plaid. We saw the polka dot, the white with the bear, and then we also saw those, and they're $16.98. New satin tee and short pajama sets from Joy Spun. These have that high neckline, the little pocket. Shorts are pull-on with side pockets. In the pink, there's also a champagne black, and the two pieces are $21.98. All of the Stitch little accessories. They have a best friend necklace, bracelet set. Look at the cute little rhinestones. These are all $9.98. The little stud earrings. New sandals from No Boundaries. These have the square toe, that grommet detailing with the chunky heel in the black faux suede, and they're $24.98. So new from No Boundaries. These have that footbed bottom, the multiple strand with the leopard, and they're $18.98. Heels from No Boundaries. These have the round toe, the open back. I think these are row dupes, and they're $24.98. So new loafers from No Boundaries. These have the round toe, silver hardware, $28.98. A little Mary Jane from No Boundaries. This looks like a really little sleek round toe, flat in. It's almost like a navy color, but I think they're black. And then they also have the burgundy, and they're $19.98. Mary Jane's from No Boundaries. These have the round toe, chunky heel with the buckle, and they're $28.98. Ballet sneaker flats from No Boundaries. These have the round toe, double Velcro, $24.98 in the ivory with the red, and then they have black with the white. Also new from No Boundaries are these sneakers. They have the round toe, the gray bottom. These are $24.98. New heels from Scoop. These have that square toe, chunky, thicker heel. How interesting are those? And they're $38. Colors in these wedges from Time and True. So they have the square toe, the mesh, the raffia wedge, and the nude. They also have this new black, and then also a new leopard, and they're $29.98. Also new sneak peek flip-flops from Time and True. These have the faux suede trim with the grommet detailing, and they're $22.98. Or I'm sorry, they're studs. I know someone didn't like that I did that. So new sneak peek item from No Boundaries. These have the round toe, completely knit. That's what the bottoms look like, and they're $28.98. I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.